I'm now at Jim Drummond's Homehead. Just nearly finished this field. Don't know when it was combined, but must be wrapping the bales as well. So I've been quite a few places today. I can also see a combine just over there. I've just forgotten the name of the farm. I know it's Bells. Probably a Valtra that's running down the side there. So they're probably nearly finished as well. Might be wrong. Back to Homehead. So we've got a class doing the wrapping here. It's got windy there. That's Homehead. And that's beyond the burn. In the background there, whistled. That's Slurry Tower at Homehead. That's the Steedon silage pit. That's the high road up there, the A75. See the cars. It's amazing, you know the names of places, but you just can't remember when you need to. There's a shed over there. So we're quite near down in Locher Moss here. Here we have some sort of radio thing or whatever. Anyway, I better catch David. He's coming down here now. I expect it's David Goldie. It's on the 6480 today. That's a Lely Welger baler, but I'll see the model when he gets closer. I'm trying to look for the model of the baler and I can't see it yet. I'm sure I've filmed it before. It's an RP 235. So it looks like I've just finished the silage recently as well. It's an RP 235. It's on a 60 plate, 6480. So it's the Claas Arian 430, McHale 991E I think it is. We'll see if he's any good at doing the spale wrapping. Getting quite breezy. I don't know if the day's changing. The rain's supposed to be coming in tonight or tomorrow. Just remember that it's bell of either east or west Bow Hill. Not sure where the combine is. Here we have a lump. I wonder if he's got to stop, more than likely. It's quite handy when you get the baler and the wrapper in the same shot. This one's got the belly weight rather than the weight at the front there, or the wee dogs there. That's David Goldie.